Experience the finest mix of technology and efficiency. Presenting Victo water heater in a classic design. With a convenient temperature control knob, a fine blend of elegance and durability. The inner tank is made of high-quality thick gauge steel and applied with glass-lined anti-corrosive coating that makes it durable and perfect for hard water too. An 8-bar pressure, perfect for high-rise buildings, with warranties that ensure peace of mind. There's more, a free accessory kit and authorized installation. Your search for a classic geyser ends here. Victo, a classic and reliable geyser from the house of V-Guard, a trustworthy brand for over 40 years. V-Guard, bring home a better tomorrow.